To watch World Cup 2022 match via smartphone, the method is quite easy. There are several sites that provide live streaming of World Cup matches. In this tutorial, I use Chrome browser. For the first, you can use Score 808 site. You can access it using URL address score808.com. From this page, we can see the schedule of matches. At the time I recorded this, there was a Mexico versus Poland match going on. To watch it, just select the media player icon. If a display like that appears, slide the puzzle part so that the picture can be seen in its entirety. Wait until the loading process is successful. And now we can watch the match live and change the screen view to full screen. If the server is having problems, use Live 2 option to change the server to another streamer. On the second site, you can visit URL address totalsportec.to. If there is a match that is being broadcast, then there is a live notification. If selected, it will go to the next page. Here are several server options. We only need to touch one of them. Please note, the servers of these sites usually display a lot of ads. If using this site, it is better to use a browser that supports blocking ads. That's how to watch World Cup 2022 matches without a subscription. And thanks for watching.